You know, this steering wheel is out of a 1990 Honda Civic, and these did not originally come with leather on them. So this customer wanted to upgrade this steering wheel as he's just getting everything cleaned up and operating in good order. And so he sent in his steering wheel, sent in a picture also of how he wanted the work done with where he wanted the seams to be at, something he had run across. And so we duplicated that. We put his seams right where he wanted them, which is normally where the seams would go anyway. So that worked out well. And then we reupholstered with a heavy grain black Mercedes-Benz leather, actually, which went real well with the heavy grain in his texture of the vinyl on the horn. So this is now going to be a head turner. It's going to make this Civic a one-of-a-kind interior. Whatever you need for your interior steering wheel or similar items, reach out to craftcustoms.com. We're here to take care of your needs, and as always, you're going to love what you get. We guarantee it.